Hello friends, this is Bruce Conn here reporting from a beautiful spot on our planet. These are the northern Adirondack Mountains. The northern Adirondacks are filled with beautiful lakes, streams, lots of aquatic habitat as well as diverse terrestrial habitat, mostly dominated by what you see behind me, the beautiful boreal forest or the forests of the north. What we're here doing though is that we are looking for various types of animals, especially insects and mollusks, that can carry diseases, that carry pathogens that can then be transmitted to wildlife, perhaps to domesticated animals, sometimes to humans. And we're looking for those, and we're especially looking in this lake for snails. We also are especially among the snails as well as the insects, like mosquitoes, we are especially interested in invasive species. That is, species that are not native to this area, but have moved into this area, are taking over a lot of the environment, and could result in the spread of diseases that normally were not spread in this particular area. In this lake right here, which is part of the Raquette River of northern New York, flowing down into the St. Lawrence Seaway, we have a couple of snails that I picked up. One is native, and I'm going to show them to you here. One is a native snail, the one closer to the palm of my hand. This is called Campyloma decisum. The one that's farther out on my fingers is a little bit prettier, striped. It's called the banded mystery snail, Viviparus georgianus. Georgianus is a reference to Georgia because this banded mystery snail is actually an invasive here in the north. It is native to the southern United States, Georgia as well as other states, but has moved over the last few decades, has moved up into the northern areas and is doing quite well here. The Campyloma decisum, the more drab brown one that I showed you, that's a native snail, and we're especially interested in how they might compete or not compete with each other. They're very similar snails in some ways, they're related. But both of them can become infected with parasites, especially trematodes or flukes, which are parasites that can then leave them and through various ways get into another vertebrate host, like animals or humans or whatever the case may be. So we're looking into those, and we're looking at the dynamics between them. And so I'll continue to report back on them. But for now, stay safe, enjoy the beautiful outdoors. Don't be afraid of these pathogens, just learn about them and know how to avoid any of those that might infect you or your animals. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care.